apple. An apple a day keeps the doctor away.
Pear. Pear. She packed a pear in her lunch.
Quince. Quince. Quince jam is a bit sour and sweet. Loquat. Loquats grow in small orange clusters. Crabapple. Crabapple. Crabapples are small and very tart. Medlar. Medlar. Medlars are eaten when they're almost overripe. Rose apple. Rose apple. It smells like a rose, but tastes like an apple. June plum. June plum. June plum is popular in Caribbean cooking. Mamey apple. Mamey apple. Its flesh is a deep orange red. Peach. Peach. This peach is sweet and juicy. Plum. Plum. The plum tree is full this year. Cherry. Cherry. She put a cherry on top of the cake. Nectarine. Nectarine. A nectarine is a peach without the fuzz. Apricot. Apricot. Dried apricots make a great snack. Mango. Mango is my favorite tropical fruit. Coconut. We drank coconut water on the beach. Olive. Olive. Olive oil is used in almost every kitchen. Avocado. Avocado. She made avocado toast for breakfast. Jujube. Jujube. Jujube is sometimes called the Chinese date. Damson. Damson. Damsons are small, dark, and slightly tart. Lychee. Lychee. Lychee has a sweet floral flavor. Rambutan. Rambutan. Rambutan looks spiky but tastes soft and sweet. Longan. Longan. Longan is closely related to lychee. Banana. Banana. She eats a banana every morning.